What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Long Beach. Ain't been out here in a minute. Do got a Nike outlet. Let's go see what's up. Some got 30% off, some got 40% off. Let's see what their special is. See what's up. Alright, looks like the usual 40% off clearance apparel, 30% off the back wall. Let's go see what we can find. Shout out to the homie Eric. We talked for quite a few minutes. He was pondering about these right here, the Familias, Air Force One Low Familias, and this is his size, is size 12. And Eric and I were saying like these are dope. These are dope. But what are you gonna match with this? What are you gonna wear with it? You know what I'm saying? Like it is a fire piece, but you know, just don't know what you would wear with this. You know what I'm saying? Because it is. What color is this? Like a clay maroon? I don't know. I'm not the best with colors. It's a redstone. It's a redstone color, but it's, you know, it's not the easiest thing to match something with. But to be able to get this for 30% off, that is pretty fire. Pretty fire. All right, we're gonna move to the 10.5s. Eric, appreciate you supporting the channel. Well, let's look around here. Do see some mids. These are Fly-E's though, $120 for these. Those of you guys that don't know the Fly-E's, they try to make them look exactly like the regular silhouette, but they do make it easy for those with like developmental issues and stuff like that, or any other issues. But yeah, $120 for those. That's a 10.5. Some Air Max 97s right below that, $140. Remember, it is 30% off. Got some Del Dons right here. This says 10.5, but these are all in women's size if I remember. No? I think so. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. But yeah, these are going for $120. We've seen those as low as $50. Blazer Sakai's. Dang it. Alright, I did put those back. $100 for these. You get that 30 off, so $70. Not too bad. Does have that unfinished look to it. They definitely changed it up a lot. Yeah, I'm good on those. Does come with the extra laces. Has some brown laces right there with 2 laces on already installed. Okay, $100. They got them in a ton of sizes. Probably came out the aisles. Zoomfly 95 is $130. Why not 0.6 is $110. Dang, nothing too crazy here. Size 11, it's $180 for these. Air Force One Reacts going for $140. Monarch, these are considered premium. Monarch 4 Premium is going for $60. Zagama Trails, got some Zoom X on these bad boys, $160. Jordan Access going for way too much, $95. Moving up to the 12s, they got some Air Max 95 Quick Strikes going for $160. Cosmic Unities $125. Air Force One, they call them Air Force One 07 Fresh. The OG Blacks going for $140. Seeing a couple of these Vapor Max, $180 for this one, way too high. 13s Infinity Run flying at $370. It's a great price after 30% off. Size 14s, okay. Jordan 1 Low Golf $140. That brings that down to what, 105? That's what's up. They got them in 13 right here as well. Not much in the big size, just not much at all anywhere. 155 for these. Dude, some with the Zoom Freaks and stuff, that's about it. This is kind of why I don't come to this outlet as often as some of the other ones. Let's check out the smaller sizes. 9.5. Do got some Jordan 12 lows. How hard is it to do a sole swap on these? Well, I guess the pain in the butt thing is you would need a donor shoe, right? You could find like an old one in decent condition, I guess. Oh, because these look dope. These look dope. Just that outsole just doesn't work. But yeah, that's fire. Metcon 8s going for $80. Dang, they got these in multiple sizes. Okay, maybe these came out the aisles too. Oh yeah, these definitely came out the aisles. Okay. Immortalities, size 7 going for $75. Pukunis going for retail. Yeah, there's just not much to it. There just isn't. All right, let's go see what's up in the aisles over here. I'll definitely check the apparel too. Maybe they'll have something in the apparel. All right, got some of these Sakai's. That's why we see the black ones over there. Got some blazer mids. Kind of the same but different. Olive green or army olive colorway. Some university blues. Some lows. Another one of these Sakai blazers. Got some of the Dunk High 85s. All white forces. Another one of the forces. I think that's the black one. SB alley-oops. Bright colorway right here, facing the wrong way. Witness 6s. Going for way cheap right here. Back to being pretty high. Soldier 14s. Doom Freak 4s. KD Trey 5 9s. Second colorway. One with a little bit of pink on it. Cosmic Unity 2s. Cherry 12 Low Golf. Okay. And Infinity Tour Next Percent. Okay. Air Monarch 4. These are the 4E, which means for wide feet gang. MX 2017s. Aqua colorway. Racer Blue, is that what they're calling it? Binary Blue, Racer Blue. Crimson colorway of the 2017s. Vapor Max 2021 Flyknits. Air Max 95 Essentials. SE version right here. Going for hella cheap, 70 bucks. Wow, $70, yo. Some TWs. Locate. Air Max Flyknit racers. Got a trio or two of these. And the Air Max Pre-Day is slightly different. I did see one of the workers taking notes to see how many blank spaces. I think they might do a restock, so I'm gonna pay attention to that. Keeping an eye on the restock situation, because I don't want to just sit there. I got stuff to do. But yeah, checking out the clearance apparel right here, 40% off, $70 for these. I want to say cargo, but it's like elastic up top. 70 bucks? Yeah, just a lot of sweats for $40, and all these super thin basketball shorts, $26. That's pretty much the same old, man. Got a whole second rack, pretty much of the same thing, just these running shorts, super thin running shorts. Can't even see the price. Come on now. Making it tough for my video, dang it. All right, $27 for those running shorts. Got them in blue as well. Same price. And then more gray ones. Yeah, same old, man. Something different in the apparel section, hopefully, or the top section right here. Butler Authentic jersey, 2 bells. You get 40% off of that. That is fire. This is a large right here. Get a Jimmy Butler. I was thinking Karan Butler because he was a former Laker and I'm an idiot apparently. But yeah, 200. Get these for $120. Not bad. Not bad. How is this authentic though? This is all, it's all pressed on. Do they not stitch the letters on anymore? No, I'm confused. Dodger shirts, $45. $45. Good Lord. 40% off at least. Clippers, Kawhi Leonard jersey. This looks hella small. Yeah, $120. Dang, dude. We just saw this for hella cheap at like Foot Locker or something, right? Rams, $75 for that. Dude, there's just not many deals. What's this? Oh, this is a Jordan jacket right here. Looks kind of small. It says oversized. Looks kind of small. Oh, it's a women's. $120. Okay, that makes sense. Got pants only deals right here. $80 for tech fleece. $50 for regular fleece. Oh, wait. The 30%'s only off these over here. This is like some thick fleece. Some nicer ones too. $50 for those, normally $90. Tops only. Got the flight hoodies going for $50, $30 off, not bad. And that fool found a lot more than I did. All right, they do got a heat wall. Oh shit, I walked right past the heat wall. Do not get 30% off for this stuff. Let's look right here. And that's been one of the big differences. Some of these Nike outlets, they'll give you 30% off these heat items. Some of them won't. This place has been no more than yes, kind of depending on the situation. That's kind of why I've been hitting up other outlets more than here. But yeah, they got some. These are the, what are these? The trout ones. Size 8, $1.10. Got some Jordans right here. These are huge, size 15. Do got some Air Max 1 premiums, $1.70 now. Damn. Then the grade school, preschool section right there. All right, no restocks yet. Still looking. All right, checking the women's section. Let's see what's up. They do got those bad boys right here. Jordan 3. It is full retail though. What are they calling these? The gold black cement? I don't know. The gold cement? I don't know. All right, let's look over here. Women's section right here. Air Force 1 premium. Does it say premium MF? I don't know. That's pretty dope. $100 for those. Air Max 90s, $1.30. Pegasus turbos, good for running, $1.20. Those look already like yellowish, huh? It's probably the binding unit that they use to keep all that React together, or the Zoom X together, $1.20. Some blazers, these look pretty dope. Size 9, regular price. Some Joe Burrows right here, going for $30, size 9. Size 8.5 Air Max 95, going for $1.75. What the hell is going on here? Super Rat 4s, $80 for those. Air Max 2090s going for $90. 9.5 Air Max, 9.5 Air Force Ones right here. Got all kinds of flowers on them. Go for $75. Looking for running shoes, size 10. Pegasus 37s going for $70. Pegasus shields, Pegasus 39 shields going for $1.40. Hey, nothing too impressive about the women's section, but I guess it's the same as the men's here as well, I guess. All right, let's check out the women's aisles. Got some Air Max 90s. Isn't this the one we saw in the clearance section? 97s, 2017s. Another one of those. Look at this. That's definitely the cheapest we've seen. They have up to size 11 to 30% off. That brings that to what, $33? Or I'm sorry, it's $27 off. That's what, $63? Dang, $63. That's insane. Air Force Ones. Some platforms. Another one of those. Some shadows right here. Blazer platforms. Got some mids right here. All right, let's check out the grade school because they got some dope stuff. Jordan 36s. Max R's right here. Another one of these 36s. Some mids right here. These are definitely interesting. Got all kinds of pictures. Okay, patent leather too. Okay. These are Mars Yard 3s. Some Dunk lows. Okay. Told you I've been paying attention to the restock. Really haven't seen much come out. Just haven't seen much come out at all. I'm gonna wrap it up, yo. Damn, these Nike outlets, man, so up and down. 3-4 days ago, every outlet that I was hitting had all kinds of heat. Now, like, I can't find nothing. Like, it is what it is. But that's kind of how it goes. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for making it to the end. Make sure you help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new, subscribe. Like you need me to tap dance and do all this stuff for you guys to subscribe. Do hit up a bunch of Nike outlets. That's pretty much what I do. Hit up regular retail stores. Hit up other places as well. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Got plenty coming. I'm gonna hit up at least a couple more spots. And we'll see what happens. But yeah, pay attention to my shorts. Hopefully I can find some stuff in the next couple places. We'll see what happens. But yeah, got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace. Saturday night at the racetrack. Pretty freaking loud, dude. Pretty loud, man. Number 50 just got the dub. 50 just got the win. Stock car racing is done. Time for figure 8 racing. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. This is gonna be interesting. One more. Oh, who's gonna go faster? Who's gonna go first? Oh, they slowed down. Next race, skid plate racing. I don't know if you've ever seen skid plate racing. You can see all kinds of sparks. They're rarely ever in control. The first group of cars actually doing really good. Oh, there goes that one. There goes that one. Yeah. Skid plate racing. Next event, jet car burn down. Why is he burning down the car? I don't know. Does any of this make sense? Not really. Not really. Then, of course, the last race, trailer destruction race. They're gonna go after that number 2. They're gonna go after the number 2. Oh, nobody hit the number 2 yet. Nobody hit. Snap, snap, snap. Someone's.
Hit the trailer, yeah!
Oh, not yet, not yet. No, not yet, not yet. Not that one yet.
I think part of the problem.
Oh, snizzap. Snizzap. Got all the cars that are destroyed, and then end of the night with some fireworks, you guys. What fun, what fun.